Hello students, today we will start exercise 7.2. Before that, we will understand section formula. Suppose A and B are 2 points and this is the line joining points A and B. Coordinates of A, x1, y1 and coordinates of B, x2, y2. And there is a point P between A and B. It divides AB in the ratio M1 ratio M2. We read it as M1 is to M2. So coordinates of point P xy is equal to M1 x2 M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Sum of these ratios M1 plus M2. Similarly, y coordinate is given by M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is the section formula. We call it section formula because section means division or dividing in parts. Here P point divides the line segment AB in two parts. There is special case for this formula. It gives the midpoint formula. When the P point in between is the midpoint, the ratio will be 1:1. Why 1:1? P is the midpoint. So this AP is equal to PB. For example, both AP and PB are 2 centimeter, let us suppose. So their ratio will be 2:2. That is 1:1. Ratio will be 1 if P is the midpoint. Now M1 here is 1 and M2 is also 1. If we put M1 and M2 1 in this formula, we will get 1 multiply x2 plus 1 multiply x1. Similarly, 1 multiply y1 plus 1 multiply y2 divided by 1 plus 1. So it will become x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So you can use this formula directly if the point is the midpoint of line AB. Let's start question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1,7 and 4,-3 in the ratio 2:3. Ratio is given to you 2:3. So let P be the point which divides the line segment AB in 2:3 ratio. Coordinates of first point is -1,7 and coordinates of B point is 4,-3. And P divides this line. Here x1 is -1, y1 is 7, x2 is 4 and y2 is -3. And ratio M1 is 2 and M2 is 3. Coordinates of P point x, y is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Similarly for y, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 is 2 multiply x2 is 4 plus M2 x1. M2 is 3 and x1 is -1. Divide by M1 plus M2. 2 plus 3. Now for y, M1 y2. M1 is 2, y2 is -3 plus M2 y1. M2 is 3 and y1 is 7. M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 is 2 plus 3. 2 4s are 8 minus 3 and -6 plus 3 multiply 7, 21. Divide by 5. After solving this, 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 5 is 1. 21 minus 6 is 15. 15 by 5 is 3. So this is the coordinate of point P. Here x is 1 and y is 3. So coordinates of point P are given by 1, 3. Second question. Find the coordinates of point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So this AB is the line joining the points 4, -1 and -2, -3. Trisection means this line is divided into 3 equal parts. Tri means 3. Section means parts, 3 equal parts. AP is the first part, PQ is the second part, and QB is the third part. So let P and Q divides this line in 3 equal parts. Now ratio will be, this is one part, so 1 ratio. This remaining portion is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So this represent 2. So ratio at point P is 1:2. Now we will find the coordinates of point P. For some time just forget this point Q and look at like this. There are 3 points A, B and P, and ratio of P and P divides AB in 1:2 ratio. Here x1 is 4, y1 is -1, x2 is -2, y2 is -3, and m1 is 1, m2 is 2. We apply the section formula. Coordinates of point P x, y is given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is 1, x2 is -2 plus m2 x1, m2 is 2, x1 is 4, divide by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. Similarly for y coordinate, m1 y2, m1 is 1, y2 is -3 plus m2 y1, m2 is 2 and y1 is -1, divide by m1 plus m2. In denominator we always write sum of ratio, this ratio 1 plus 2. After solving we will get 8 minus 2 is 6, divide by 3, -3 minus 2 is -5, divide by 3. After cancelling, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is -5 by 3. These are the coordinates for point P. Now we have to find coordinates for point Q. Now for Q point, this is 2 part, 1 plus 1, 2, and this is 1 part. So ratio will be 2:1. Now forget this portion, this point. We have 3 points A, Q and B. Here m1 is 2 and m2 is 1. And these are x1, y1, x2, y2. Apply the same section formula for point Q and find its coordinates. Figure will be like this. Ratio will be 2:1. Find the coordinates of point Q yourself.